Hanuman Swami Baba Ki Jai. Dear friends, as we conclude this edition of Shanti Vandana, I remind you that God is all-inclusive. You see, we must be in a space of loving everyone. And more than that, we've got to see ourselves as connected to everyone. In order to get the attention of Bhagavan, in order to be an expression of Bhagavan. Dear friends, so we've got to make every effort to avoid any thought that separates us from another being. Today we live in a world where we think my religion is better than yours. My country is better than yours. My family is better than yours. Dear friends, that type of thinking, it is ego-based thinking. And therefore, if God is all-inclusive, God does not choose to be kind to one particular type of people over the other. And therefore, if we are to live and bring about the characteristic of Bhagavan in our life, then we also must treat people without those biases. Dear friends, one day there were 3 young men who were blindfolded and they were taken to this elephant. They did not know what they were going to meet. And as they remained blindfolded, the first man walked up to the elephant and he was asked to describe it, and he held on to one of the legs of the elephant and he said, this creature has a very fat something like a pole. It is very thick and sturdy, and that is the elephant. The next man was taken to the back of the elephant and he held on to the tail. And he's describing, he said, do you know that an elephant really is like a thin piece of rope that has a little hairy muff to the end? That is the elephant. That is what an elephant is like. And the third man was taken to the trunk. And he is describing, he says, an elephant? That elephant is very malleable. That elephant is very strong. That elephant has a very soft but powerful, some extension of it that connects. It has a tusk to the end. That is what an elephant is, dear friends. You see, based on our human limited perception of this world, based on our limited human perception of the vastness of God, sometimes we think our way is the only way. Our perception is the only perception, the only view. And therefore, my friends, today as I conclude this edition of Shanti Vandana, I remind you that God is all-inclusive. Notwithstanding our limited vision, our limited perspective as a human being, I remind you that God is all-inclusive. He doesn't love some over the other. He doesn't bless one group of people over the other. And therefore, my friends, if we are to live and make the characteristics of God alive in our life, then we also must treat our brothers and sisters in the same way. You're listening to the program Shanti Vandana on the First, the Finest, 103 FM. Dear friends, I would like to invite you again tomorrow morning to join with me for Shanti Vandana every Saturday and Sunday morning from 5 to 6 a.m. But I would also like to extend an invitation to you to join with us at the Railway Road Dharam Sabha this coming Tuesday morning for Hanuman Jayanti. Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated on the full moon in the month of Chaitra. We are in the month of Chaitra. And the full moon in Trinidad and Tobago will be at around 3:43 a.m. on Tuesday morning. And therefore, some are celebrating Hanuman Jayanti on Monday. God bless you. More road for Hanuman Swamiji, the way I see it. And you see the shortcomings in some of our perception on when certain dates are to be observed. That's a human perspective. But Bhagavan is all-loving. Bhagavan is all-forgiving. God only wants our unconditional love. And therefore, if you're celebrating on Monday, Jai Hanuman. If you're celebrating on Tuesday, Jai Hanuman also. But remember, if you would like to know what is the significance when the date is, it is based on the full moon. And if you check it scientifically, full moon in this part of the world, it's at around 3:43 a.m. on Tuesday morning. Therefore, my friends, I would like to extend that invitation to you to join with us for very beautiful conversations again tomorrow morning on Shanti Vandana. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdin saying, thank you very much for joining with me. Jai Hanuman.